everybody, it's Monty, it's Shado Park, and here we are wrapping up Halloween week. Hopefully you have a great weekend, a safe weekend, and you get to take all your little brothers and sisters and siblings and friends and go trick-or-treating. Okay, so let's talk about next week. Next week is a strange week. We have Halloween on Sunday night, and then next week is all about conferences. Week 9, November 2nd to the 5th. Monday is a regular school day, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is all about conferences. So we only go to school till noon each day on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Only till noon. On Tuesday, period 1, 2, 3. On Wednesday, 4, 5, 6. Thursday, 1, 2, 3. And Friday, 4, 5, 6. So make arrangements for that, because in geometry, we're only going to see each other 3 times. But before we get any further into next week, let's make sure we do our shout outs for this week. So with our shout outs here, let's get started here. All right, first of all, class participation. Wow, the people that were here were outstanding. And in period 3, we want to have a shout out for Genesis Gamero, Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, David Hirsch, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Yan, Rita Kurganova, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Catherine Nazarchuk, Isaac Treat, Kim Weekly, and Damian Wickman. In period 4, Haley Bowers, Evan Cavell, Rashad Hart, Josie Horry, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Kiera Perkins, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And then in period 5, Desiree Ballou, Tristan Bell, Jackson Berkey, Cam Brown, Chris Ferraro, Elijah Glancer, Hunter Greenstone, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Gabby Warnock, Tyler Wayant, and Ali Zenishek. Now you're going to notice some red stars. Red stars are people that went over and above, either came to the board, did extra work in the classroom, helped other students with their work, or they logged in and did work on the Teams page virtually. So those extra shout outs go to Anthony Gomez, Jocelyn Ives, Catherine Nazarchuk, Evan Cavell, Josie Horry, Macario McGriff, Kiera Perkins, Delilah Rivera, Tristan Bell, Elijah Glancer, Gabby Warnock, and Ali Zenishek. Okay, now let's go to our Mafia Achievers. The Mafia Achievers this week in period 3, Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, Addison Yan, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Isaac Treat, and Christian Walker. In period 4, Haley Bowers, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Elliot Collins, Rashad Hart, Quentin Mason, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Elijah Regalado, Celeste Wink. And in period 5, Jackson Berkey, Elijah Glancer, Hunter Greenstone, Landon Opry Jennings, Ellie Petty, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Casey Sullivan, and Tyler Wayant. And then the red stars are people that did multiple workspaces, or they're actually ahead of the class now. And that'll go out to Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, Addison Yan, Isaac Treat, Evan Cavell, Quentin Mason, Molly Pickard, Hunter Greenstone, Landon Opry Jenny, Matthew Shuck, Cassidy Sullivan, and Tyler Wayant. Thank you for all the extra work. Now, next week, there's only 3 days. What are we going to work on? Well, the first thing we want to do is we've got to finish up this idea of 4-sided objects, quadrilaterals, and all the characteristics. What makes a square, what makes a kite, a trapezoid, a trapezoid. This week we talked about the diagonals. Next week we got to finish that, okay? Then we're going to finish the week with what's called reflections, translations, rotations, dilations. How do we protect the integrity of the shape? by moving it left and right, by moving it with a reflection, rotating it, or just like on our cell phones, make it bigger, make it smaller. You probably remember that from middle school, scale factor. So those are the things we're going to focus on the 3 days that we're together. So hopefully you have scheduled your time with your advisor and your parents so that you can make a plan for next school year. Meanwhile, have a great Halloween. Don't eat too much candy, and we'll see you on Monday in the classroom.